I'm Chase Hurd. I'm an Ag Systems Technology and Industrial Technology double major in the College of Ag and Life Sciences. So I work in Sector 0235. It's the club maker space, and basically help members of the different clubs get on the equipment for machining different parts they need and helping assemble their vehicles whenever they need, and making sure everybody's using equipment safely. I really appreciated the opportunity that I got working in the space when there was downtime to take on some projects and kind of increase my own skills, learning how to 3D print and being able to be in the other maker spaces too when I had free time, so being able to develop new skills. Yeah, getting a lot of hands-on time with machines and then being able to watch all kinds of different people from different backgrounds also work the machines and seeing the different ways to do the same task definitely would be helpful. I'm going to be doing at Sukup a lot of machining as well, so basically any safe practices with working these different machines is a big help for my future career. It's a great opportunity if you get the chance to meet new people, learn new manufacturing machinery, kind of basically whatever you want to make out of it you can do. So it's a great learning opportunity and work opportunity overall.